Well, I got an idea that I definitely want to make a 3D Exploro Race internal cable routing. So here what I've done. First of all, I got a front brake cable through the fork. There is a space for it. I try to focus on it. Here is 2 holes. Here is 2 holes. Right there. So, and also, this is the light. And also I got a rear brake through the fork also, and I will show you that it is possible to do, that it will work. I'm pretty sure. I have to make some reinforcement to the fork, but here I can show you how it moves when you turn the fork. It's a bit difficult with 2 hands, but let's say if I turn it right here in 90 degrees position, the cable will be in the safe position right there. Right there, and there is enough space between the frame and the fork. Right there. If I turn it more, for example, let's say this position, so this much, and that is the position which bike is almost never. There is still enough space. See? So yeah, this kind of project. This is the frame. This is 21 model. It's fully wrapped with paint protection film, so that's why it's black, partially. So this is how I will make internal cable routing, and now I have to find the stem where I can make the cable go through the stem, if the stem would be a little bit higher than the fork head, that I don't need to make any holes to the fork anymore.